Hey guys, today I've ordered the Buildskill cordless drill machine for home use. I'll just show on the screen. So this is the item I've ordered from Amazon. So why I've ordered it is a very good product, I would say. This is a 21-volt hand operated cordless. So let's unravel this by opening this. So the 21 volts is a very good in terms of battery usage and the power. It will not drain the battery so soon. There are drill which is of lower volts, so never buy that, because I have researched, if you're going to buy the the low voltage cordless, the battery drain issues will be there. So hence I've bought this 21 volt impact drill machine. So this is how it looks. So there is a Buildskill thank you order message. There is a wallet, a ruler, as you can see guys. So I don't know what exactly this ruler is all about, and they have given some queries, unhappy things, so which I can scan it and check what is that later. So now let's open this Buildskill dual speed LED light reversible impact 21 volt screwdriver kit. So once you open this, as you see, we have got a beautiful manual. I'm sure this is also getting some warranty of 6 months. So why I rejected other many screwdriver drill kit is because they were not giving a warranty. If the product is not giving a warranty, then the product itself is not trustable. So hence I bought this machine after thinking so many times. So there were other products like Enon, Home Decor, so many other products were there, but yes, I bought this as there was some 6 months warranty. So since the product you can trust themselves, I bought this. So it has got this many things. As you see, we have got the drill bit. So let's first check the drill bit. We've got 1 2 3 4 5 6 kind of drill bit with, I'm not sure what exactly this is, multi-purpose drill with a 7 kind of drill they have given. Let me open one. So the condition seems to be good, so maybe this is a hammer bit. And if you see, this is multiple drill are there. Okay, so 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, there is a small bit which is not coming out. Okay, this is for the 6th one, and apart from that there is a 7th drill, this one. And as I also see, there is a battery, there is a single battery for this, which has got a chargeable adapter. So there is a LED light, as you see. I can start this, it shows the LED indicator, which is a good thing. And apart from that, it has got 21 volt 1.5 mAh battery, warning message. It's a very good sturdy material, I would say. This charger is also a very good condition. So now let's open this. As you see, I've also got a screwdriver, right? So this is very useful thing for making the screwdriver operation. So there are 2 screwdrivers, so which is of bit star, I would say, of the same bit, and a crossover. Now we have got a straightener. As you see, this green thing which indicates there is a straightener which is coming, and also there are some operation 1 2 and all those things. Now if you see, so removing of this, putting this is very easy. As you see, I can click open this. It shows the indicator, as I already told, You have to just hold this. It shows the indicator LED light, 4 LED, which is a good charged battery. As you see, it's a very decent thing. You can roll over this for different hammer. I'm not sure what exactly is this. 5, 6, and if you want to put your drill, you just have to put it and then roll over like this. As you see, I'm rolling it over, so till it becomes tight you have to keep doing this, and that's it. You have to open this by just again unscrewing it, putting the drill, and then again screwing it. This is some kind of challenge. I find it's not getting tighten up. I don't know which side I'm doing, but yes, now it has gone, and it is how you can do. 1 and 2 speed, clock and anti-clockwise. There is a lock also. If it is in middle, it will not do any action. Okay. So this is how it is. You can hold this. Syntax seems to be not so promising.